Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Homebody app is and how it's positioned. According to official App Store listings and the platform's website, Homebody is a resident experience app designed to help renters manage payments, insurance, and other housing-related tasks in one place. It acts as an all-in-one hub where users can handle rent, submit maintenance requests, and manage lease-related activities through a single interface. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. Based on official descriptions, the app allows users to pay rent, set up recurring payments, and track their rental activity directly within the platform. It also includes maintenance request tools, where residents can report issues and manage service requests through the app. According to official sources, Homebody integrates services like renters' insurance enrollment and identity theft protection within the same system. The app supports rent reporting, which can send on-time payment data to credit bureaus, and this may help users build credit over time. There are also features like rewards programs, where users can earn points for actions such as paying rent on time or renewing leases early. Some descriptions mention access to additional services like insurance options, financial tools, and exclusive offers, although availability can vary depending on the property and setup. The app is designed for residents in supported communities, meaning access typically depends on whether a property uses Homebody or Entrata systems. Some features, such as rewards, financial services, or integrations, may depend on configuration and are not confirmed for every user. This app may be useful for renters who want a centralized platform for payments, services, and communication. For users interested in managing rent, building credit, and accessing rental-related services in one place, this could be an option. However, functionality and availability depend on property participation and system setup, and this is not confirmed and should be considered a potential limitation. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.